That's a great question. How do you make money in music? The top button topic everybody wants to know. I think the first and foremost is understanding the products you create are yours. They are your assets, they are your IP, and they are something that you've made. So having ownership over that is the best way to make money and to ensure that you're going to continue to make money throughout your career. Understanding the agreements that you enter into with major labels or agents or managers or publishing companies are so important when you are then going to let someone else represent your work to sell your work. So whether that be through streaming services or through sync licensing or through touring or through anything else, you have to know what you're obtaining as an artist and what you are signing away to other people. I think that is the most important thing once you've created a body of work, to make sure that you are retaining your rights to that work.